Hi class, this is how you upload a video. So we're going to do this a couple times in the class, so I really want you to get it right and not lose points. So on the screen, I have the video that I posted. All YouTube videos will have this link that says share, and you're going to copy this link, okay? So copy the link, and then when you go to reply, well, let's pretend I'm gonna reply to your discussion board. You're gonna get this toolbar up here. And right here where it looks like a little plug, you're gonna click on that, click YouTube, and then you're going to put the link. I just copied it right into search. And then it shows up this is the thumbnail that I want in your discussion board. So instead of just having the link in the discussion board, you need to have the thumbnail. So I'm going to embed, I like it pretty big, like large or medium. I think students click on those more often in discussion boards, and we want students to click on your videos. Okay, so there's the video. So maybe medium, that looks really huge, but maybe medium. And then you're just gonna write your posts. So that's how you upload a video. Super easy, but hard to find in this little toolbar. Alrighty, good luck and thanks for watching. Okay, bye.